You know that feeling when you go to close an annoying ad, but suddenly another tab opens, and you're breaking a sweat trying to close it before it loads, and something bad happens? Browsing the web can sometimes get a little scary, but NordVPN's Threat Protection Pro feature can wrangle those fears. Here are 5 ways to boost your cybersecurity with Threat Protection Pro. First, with Threat Protection Pro, you can download files with peace of mind. Threat Protection Pro scans your files during download to check for malware. If it detects something is off, the file is immediately deleted. No need for lengthy scans of all your data on your computer. The file will get thrown in the trash before it can infect your device. Second, browse safely. Threat Protection Pro automatically blocks malware-ridden websites. It checks URLs you're connecting to with a list of known malicious websites, all without tracking your online activity. And if it detects a dangerous website, instead of connecting to the page, you're going to get a warning message. Third, increase your privacy. When you enable Threat Protection Pro, it blocks third-party trackers as you browse. This means less targeted ads, data gathering, and help in avoiding unfair prices based on your search and purchase history. It also boosts your privacy by limiting what data companies can gather about you by tracking you online. Fourth, forget pop-ups and save data. Ads that unexpectedly fill your entire screen aren't just annoying, they can lead to malicious websites. Some ads can bog down your load times and use up more mobile data. Fifth, ensure your apps are safe. Enable the App Vulnerability Detection tool, currently available on the Windows app, and regularly scan your software for potential flaws. If Threat Protection Pro finds any vulnerabilities, it notifies you immediately. You can then check if the developer has released an update and use the app with caution. So how do you turn Threat Protection Pro on? Open the NordVPN app and click on the little shield icon. Now, toggle the Threat Protection Pro switch on. Tinker with the settings to switch functions on and off according to your needs, and get the best out of the NordVPN app. Get NordVPN today and enjoy these features all the time. Stay safe out there.